Far cry from is an idiomatic expression used to indicate a vast difference or contrast between two things, situations, or states. It suggests that one thing is significantly dissimilar or distant from another, often in terms of quality, condition, or expectation. The phrase originates from the idea of a cry or shout being audible over a great distance, emphasizing the significant gap or disparity between the 2 points being compared. When something is described as a far cry from another thing, it implies that they are not comparable or equivalent in any meaningful way. The phrase is commonly used to convey a sense of disappointment, surprise, or disbelief at the extent of the difference between the 2 points of comparison. For example, if someone says, "This restaurant is a far cry from the one we went to last night," they are expressing that the current restaurant is significantly inferior or different from the one they visited previously. Similarly, if a student receives a low grade on an exam after expecting to do well, they might say, "This grade is a far cry from what I was hoping for," indicating their disappointment at the wide disparity between their expectations and reality. The phrase far cry from can also be used to describe positive differences or improvements, although this usage is less common. For instance, if someone undergoes a dramatic transformation in their appearance or behavior, others might remark that they are a far cry from the person they used to be, acknowledging the significant positive change that has occurred. The expression far cry from is versatile and can be applied in various contexts to highlight disparities or contrasts. It can be used in discussions about personal experiences, product comparisons, societal changes, or any situation where there is a noticeable difference between two things. Moreover, the phrase far cry from often carries connotations of surprise or disbelief, as it suggests that the extent of the difference between the 2 points of comparison is unexpected or remarkable. It serves to emphasize the magnitude of the contrast and draw attention to the disparity between what was expected or assumed and what actually occurred. In conclusion, far cry from is an idiomatic expression used to indicate a significant difference or contrast between two things, situations, or states. Whether conveying disappointment, surprise, or disbelief, the phrase emphasizes the magnitude of the disparity and highlights the wide gulf between the 2 points of comparison. Through its versatility and evocative imagery, far cry from serves as a powerful tool for expressing and emphasizing differences in various contexts.